Hey everybody, this is Scott and Megan with another Plum Crazy Adventures. We are actually heading back out to the airport to do an update on the construction at the Pittsburgh International Airport. And Megan's going to drive us, and we're in the Plum Crazy Adventure car, which...
Got the purple monster out.
Yeah, we're
He's so happy.
so excited to be out driving the car today. And I'm just chilling over here in the passenger seat. So Nick's back here in the back. He's actually watching one of our videos that we just posted up on YouTube. So he's helping our watch view count go up and up and up. So, but anyway, guys, we're going to go into the airport here, find out what's going on, what's new, and let's get in there and let's see what's new. All right, everybody, we're getting off at 376 and going over toward the International Airport for Pittsburgh. And immediately you're starting to see construction signs saying that the right-hand lane is closed. So right here, you need to start being cautious ready before you even get onto the property itself. Make sure you're going about 15 miles an hour because they are monitoring their speed and stuff that's going on around the airport. And yep, here you go. Here's the wonderful flowers that blooms every year in Pennsylvania.
I love these construction cones.
Yep.
Which aren't even cones.
Nope, they're just
I'm
flat.
rather disappointed that they're not cones.
Well, you know, you got to give them time to grow. So.
That makes sense.
Okay. Well, there is the new terminal being built right there. It's actually going up decently quick. That's a pretty cool design looking. I almost start to figure out what it's going to look like when it's fully built. Now, the really interesting thing is, I'm going to pan the camera over here and I'm going to show you off to the side. You can actually see the ramp that they're building to go up into the new airport terminal itself. All right, here we are down here in Arrivals. Arrivals actually looks like it has not changed a single bit. It's still pretty much set up the exact same way as what it has been in the past. So basically, you just drive down here and come pick up your family members, friends, whatever, that are flying in, and you know, make sure you pay attention to the cops. He'll tell you where to park, so you can pick everybody up and get out of here and just take your good old time. Pay attention to what the officer tells you. He's letting the people go across here, so keeping things safe and easy. And just like I said, just make sure you give yourself a little extra time if you're coming in to pick somebody up. Other than that, it's pretty easy to get down through here. So this part hasn't really changed much at all. It's very easy to get in and out. Okay, now we're departing from Arrivals and we're coming up onto where departures and arrivals meet together currently right now. You'll see the construction off here to the right-hand side. This is the new exit way that they're building from the new terminal that is supposed to be opening in 2025. So right in here, you just have to pay attention. There's a little, tightness right here because it goes down into one lane. You are merging with the upper level, so just be careful and take your time. Like I said before, a lot of new construction going on, but we plan on coming out here about every 2 months, hopefully to give you guys new updates on what's going on and what's new around the airport. And as I said before, off to the right-hand side, you can see where the new road is being built to come in as the exit part for the airport. So as of right now, the construction really isn't impeding the entrance into the airport. So you can see over here, they're putting up a brand new road right up in here. They're redoing everything. The parking, which is off to the side over here, is still not impeded. So you guys can easily get in there. A little bumpy here, guys. Sorry about that. And right there is the new airport itself that they're building. This is the new terminal that they're building. So it is going to be state of the art, and I can't wait to see it. And boy, look at that design. Just, you can already start to see how it's coming into shape, the way it's going to look. Very exciting to see all this new stuff.
Reminds me of the Tron roller coaster
Yeah.
during its construction.
Yeah, right. Now we're going leaving this area, we are starting to run back into construction again here. And that's just basically where the two roads are coming together. They're kind of fixing everything and making sure everything is going to work right here for us. You can start to see just a little bit more construction off to the side here. Looks like a new bridgeway coming in. Plane right out. Surprise, surprise. We're at an airport. Never imagine that. As you can see, we're in the heights of the travel season right now. This is midsummer here in Pittsburgh, so these parking lots are jammed. Keep that in mind. If you're coming here and you're going to park back here in these back sections, you've got a long walk to get to that main building up in there.
Give yourself at least 30 minutes heads up.
Yep. New construction over here. This is a loop around that's up.
This is way nicer than what it was.
Yeah, this is so much better. Nice, smooth concrete road. Yeah, if you mess up, there is another way to go around. You've probably seen that in our previous video that we did over here at the Pittsburgh International Airport, but this is so much better. All this brand new concrete and the nice walls here that kind of protects you. So that way nobody runs into you. Of course, that doesn't mean that's not going to happen again, but, but yeah, this is...
Oh, interesting. So if you do that, it's only going to take you to parking. You're not going to be able to get over to the arrivals or departures.
Okay.
So it's a good thing we were planning on going to parking for a few minutes. And we're going to go into long term.
Yeah, let's take a long term. Now guys, obviously you're going to need to make your own decisions on where you want to park and stuff when you get here, depending on how long you're going to be at your destination, how long it's going to take you to fly back and stuff like that. So, but this is where you come, you pick up your tickets right here at these booths.
There happens to be a parking space right there.
Look at that. Oh, that is.
I'm not parking there.
Yeah, that's unusual to see one literally right there, but.
All right, so we have parked over here in long term. It is free for the first hour, and it's $3 for every 30 minutes after that. We shouldn't be here for more than an hour because there's just a couple things we're going to show you today. But I wanted to give you guys a quick tip. So if you do want to park over here in long-term parking, go around like you're going towards hotel parking and come over onto the other side. I can see 7-8 spots right from where we're parked right now.
Yeah.
And it's a very quick and easy walk into where the air conditioning and the moving walkway is. So if you are planning on parking long-term instead of economy, definitely come around to the other side of that moving walkway built part of the building, and you'll be able to find spots a lot easier.
Yeah, usually the rule of thumb is you'll find more parking on the other side of this building.
Yes.
So.
Also, and I'll show you in just a second, but this is also the side that you're going to be able to find your electric vehicle charging stations, which you definitely want to have if you happen to have one of those vehicles.
Yep. So let's go take a look and see what else we can find.
Yeah.
Okay guys, this is just another look at the other side of the building here. If you can see this side of the hotel right here, this is this long-term parking that Megan was talking about, this one side over here. Like we said, as you can tell, there's parking spots over here. It's kind of full, but like I said before, this is the height of summer travel, so definitely, yeah, and that's the entrance right there. So that's the moving walkway inside there. And as Megan mentioned before, there are the charging outlets here for your electric vehicles. So all the way up and down through here, this is the place you come. Okay, we're inside the moving walkway, and nothing's really changed in here. Pretty much still the exact same thing.
Yeah, I really don't think we're going to have much to show you as far as updates goes inside of the terminal before TSA. Everything is after TSA, and since we're not flying today, we won't be able to show you that. But this is Nick's favorite ride ever of anything that we've ever done, so we had to do it since we're here.
Yep. Little guy enjoying his favorite ride at the airport. Other than going on an airplane, huh, buddy? Do you like this? See, thumbs up, dude. Okay, here's something interesting I didn't know they had here at the airport. Check it out. These are B-boxes. Okay, guys, so this is a parking map here. This shows landside terminal here. Short-term garage. This is long-term. Here's the hotel.
Which we are actually right here.
Yep.
Just to give you guys context.
Yep. And there's the economy and the extended parking. For those that are military members, military lounge is up on Concord C. Just another view from where everybody's getting picked up from getting back from their vacations to go home.
So as soon as you walk into the terminal, you see these amazing figures from the John Hines History Center. Now, they used to be after you got through TSA, but because they're doing construction, they have them right here by the departures and arrivals boards. And departures is looking pretty good today. Gotta admit, checkpoint, 9 minutes is the estimated wait time for TSA. I'd say that's pretty awesome. And they do have the alternate checkpoint open, which has a wait time of 2 minutes or less. Okay, in order to access the alternate security checkpoint, we are going to go up the escalators. There we go. As if we are going to the ticket counter. And somebody is so excited to be at the airport. One of his favorite places. He gets it honest. Now that we are up at the top, we're going to make a left. And you actually are going to go right through these double doors. And then on the other side of this parking bus, you're going to enter the alternate security checkpoint. So that's how you would get over there. And Scott, we did that one time, right?
Yeah, one time only.
And pretty straightforward, wasn't too bad.
Just like going through TSA downstairs, except you're upstairs and
you go down an escalator to
Down
get
an escalator.
onto the monorail over.
Yep.
So
pretty simple, very easy.
so if it is a much less wait time, this is definitely a great option
Yep.
to do that. Do it that way.
Talk about going back in time. TWA. That's pretty cool that that's still up here. Alright guys, we actually got a better vantage point right here. Just off to the side of the second security check-in point of the new airport being built. So you can actually see right here on the top, this is the new roadway in and the new roadway in underneath of it. So that will be arrivals and departures. It's going to be set up almost identical to what we have right now, currently at the old airport here. The old terminal, I guess you should say, not the old airport. But off to the side over here, you can actually see parking garage structures being built. I mean, you really can start to see all of this taking shape and form now. It's pretty cool. Cannot wait to see the finishing project of this and be able to fly out of here with this brand new terminal. What are those? Oh, you want to take photos? Okay.
Nikki, plane. Look over that way. It's far enough. Nick, too far. Here she goes. Say bye. Bye. It's leaving. Say bye. Bye. So we came out to the corner of the terminal because we wanted to be able to see a little bit more of these trailers with pipes on them and such. And inadvertently came across a really great place to be able to watch some planes take off. Now the only thing I will tell you, just a heads up, is this is a designated smoking area, so if you do have asthma or you're adverse, be aware of that and maybe not come out here and just watch it from inside. But we were super excited to just see a plane take off. So we're waiting on the elevator because this is what Nick wants to do. You can actually wave in order to go down. I love that they have that as an option. Well, everybody, I think that's going to wrap up our Plum Crazy adventure here today. Really had a great time kind of checking out some things. I will say, I don't know what I was thinking bringing the Purple Monster out and dealing with new construction and people that don't know what they're doing. That was not smart on my end, but other than that, not too bad.
Yeah, the construction around the airport is basically on the outside, you know, on your roads and stuff, so you got to pay attention a little bit to that. If there is some traffic and stuff coming in, it might be a little bit delayed getting into the parking lot. So keep that in mind when you're getting ready to fly out of Pittsburgh. You know, your normal, your normal standard TSA times, you're going to want to probably, those are good, but you're going to want to add probably about another hour to it just to make sure. Because recommendation for domestic travel is 2 hours and international travel is 3. I would recommend adding 30 to 45 minutes onto that, even an hour. Because of getting into the airport itself might take you a little bit longer, and then finding parking in this place is really sometimes a pain in the butt because they don't have anything telling you there's this many spots left and this is the direction they're in, like what we're used to in like Orlando parking garages. Now, we didn't go past TSA. So when we flew in just a few months ago, there is a lot of construction that's going on inside the terminal itself over on the other side once you get off the shuttles itself. So basically what you've got to do is just, you know, follow the signs, pay attention to where you're going and stuff. It's very simple. It's very, very easy to, user-friendly is what I should say. It was very easy for us to get off the plane and just come right back through. There was no issues or anything like that. So, you know. The
only reason we didn't film was because it was, almost 3 o'clock in the morning because of a delay. So we were tired. Not recording ourselves at that point in time. Nothing we had to say at that point was good.
No, we were very grumpy at that point. And that had nothing to do with the airport. That was just delays.
Nothing to do with the airport or the airlines or anything. It was just circumstances.
It's just unfortunate. But
travel days. You never know what you're going to end up with.
Exactly. But, you know, if you guys got any questions and stuff about over here at Pittsburgh International Airport, please reach out to us. We'd be glad to answer them for you. If you're looking to book a vacation, we'd be glad to help you with booking the vacation for you. We're both ready to go. She's a travel agent and I'm an up-and-coming one. I've got my certification and my degrees and stuff, so I'm pretty proud to brag about that. But if you guys are interested in that, we are definitely ready to go to send you to an all-inclusive cruise, Disney World, Universal, or wherever God. Go get on the train and oh man, there's so many different places we can take. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up and get out of here because it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I think we're going to go have some fun, take this Purple Beast for a nice little drive. So, guys, if you like this video, just do us a big favor, give us a great big thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel, and for all of those that are subscribed to our channel, we really do appreciate all the love and support that we continue to get from you guys. And everybody that's brand new to this channel, welcome to the Plum Crazy Adventures family. Guys, we'll see you next time. And as always, are you ready for your next Plum Crazy adventure?
Guys, we're ready to get you here and beyond.
Yeah. See ya. Bye-bye. Boo 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 boo.